All right, JB got the metal going. We got carried away.
Yes.
Dropped the engine back in. It's come well, pretty much all the way in there. It didn't take us long. How long did that take? Like
Hour and a half, 2 hours, something like that.
yeah, I wouldn't even say an hour and a half. It's like an hour. It
No,
went,
you're right.
I don't know, went in pretty good anyways. Zero issues.
Went in better than it came out.
Yeah, the only thing he's waiting on is some exhaust manifold gaskets from Volvo.
Oh.
Yep, waiting on some gaskets. Gonna get his turbo put in when those gaskets come in, and then
I think there's something else I'm waiting on. What else am I waiting on?
what else you waiting on? Oil.
Oh yeah, oil. I just need oil.
Yeah, and oil.
Oil, that, and honestly, I think that's it, eh?
Yeah. So what's the plan? Just gonna run low boost and then crank it up,
I'm
or?
gonna put the turbo on it, but I'm actually gonna crank the wastegate so it goes 0 pounds of boost, and I'll just run it like.
Oh
naturally
yeah.
It'll have a turbo, but it won't
Yeah.
do anything.
Hey, good idea. Yeah.
No, I'm gonna run it at the 5 pounds again, just for like the first little bit. Once it's together, just like break in there.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna see what happens, because a lot of people say these Silber kits can't really do any high boost. I guess they have a spike. They'll spike really high and then drop off to like 8 pounds. So people are saying it can't hold more than 8.
Wait, the Silber kit?
The Silber kit.
We're talking like the top of the line Silber kit.
Oh yeah, the big money.
The big money Silber kit has issues.
Yeah.
Wow.
I wouldn't lie to you, man. But we'll see. I don't know. There's other guys that say it works good. So I want to run like 10, 12 pounds. I'd like to have it at 12 pounds because the motor can handle a whole lot more than that.
Yep. That little turbo's gonna spool fast too.
Yeah, it does. That's the one nice thing I will say about the kit. It's a good and a bad thing. It's bad because it's limited with how much it can actually boost because it's such a small turbo.
Yep.
But it's good because boost comes on at like 2,500 RPM. Like there's no lag at all. Nothing.
Well, if there's any difference in, like you threw the turbo, you threw 5 pounds in it, it was like a world of difference. So now you're gonna toss another 5 out. It's gonna be freaking
yeah, I
huge.
think it's gonna be good. So I don't know, like power wise, what it's gonna do at 10, 12. I think like at the crank, like motor be like 200-ish horse, 190, 200.
Yeah.
That's just kind of a guess. Close to 200 anyway. Maybe we'll do some dyno stuff this summer. That would be cool.
Yeah, I think there is a dyno in town now,
Yeah,
apparently.
I don't know how credible
Yeah.
that guy and his but hey, whatever. I don't know. I'll try it.
Yeah.
We will do that. That'd be cool. Get the extra in the dyno too, and do some stuff.
Oh yeah.
But
That's all I got.
yeah.
You got anything else? Go blow your hat.
I got nothing. That's kind of it. Well, I don't think I'm really doing much else. I did the dual rates. I didn't really talk about that. I did dual rate rears.
Yeah.
The front is still stock. I haven't decided what I want to do with that. A lot of guys like the relocation brackets. I don't know. I want to drive it first with just the rear dual rate setup and see kind of how it works.
Yeah.
I tried it a little bit. It was in the winter, so it's kind of sketchy. But it actually worked much better than stock. So I might not even touch the front. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But other than that, like, I don't know. I don't think I'm doing much else to it this summer. I want to do a cage, obviously, but everybody wants to do a cage.
Yeah.
It's big money, right?
Yeah.
But I think that's it.
Yeah.
I think that's it. I just want to see how the kit works. If that kit can't hold boost like that, like it does drop off and it's only holding like 8 pounds, I think I'm going to sell it and get something else. I don't know. We'll see.
Yep.
We'll see. It is a good kit for what they advertise it, a cheap low boost kit. It is what it is. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. If it holds boost good.
Well, you pretty much ironed out all the hiccups that you had with it the first two races.
I'd like to put a fan on the intercooler.
Yeah.
Not that I was even having any issues. Just if you go out on like hot days and you're really hammering on it, I could see it being an issue.
Yep.
But so far I haven't needed it at all. Engine temps, I can't check intake temps, but engine temps have been no problem at all.
Yeah.
And then the biggest thing I don't like is that intake setup. That's just terrible.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys ever seen this before, but the Silber kit runs like probably the smallest air filter I've ever seen. On a turbocharged 1000. I mean, Yamaha Banshees are running bigger air filters than that.
Like, I don't know. Once again, if I decide to keep the kit, I'm gonna get like a whole round airbox, like a round drop-in filter and all that.
Well, how about all the dirt you actually found in the intake with that filter too?
And like I know that looks dirty, but I cleaned it like every other ride. Like I kept it pretty clean. I didn't just hammer down on it. So.
Yeah, we pulled the whole intake apart and it was filled with dirt.
It was dirty inside. I wasn't impressed with that. So the guys that say the K&N filter is let shit by, they're not lying.
Yeah.
I wasn't impressed with that.
Gonna have to get a Donaldson style.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying. Get the round airbox Donaldson style. Mount it. So the original first gen Silber kit mounted it like really low on the frame. Well, I actually mounted right here.
Yeah.
But which it fits. It's a nice spot because your header and your turbo hang here. There's nothing here, right? But at the same time, if you do any water at all, like you're screwed. So I was trying to think of mounting it up here on the cage or somewhere up here, but
Yep.
I don't
Even
know.
here, I mean, I think you got some open room here. We could probably work something into that piece of plastic.
We'll see. Worst case, I can put it low. You just got to be super careful water crossing, so I can't do like any really.
Yep.
Because then you're screwed. But
all right, guys. Well, that's just a quick update on what's going on with the YXZ, and I'm sure you'll post a video once you get it running.
Yeah, I will. Yeah, we'll do a couple little test runs there once it's together and
get the X3 out here. Probably roll on the X3. I think it's gonna be close. I think top end the X3 might still be close.
I think so. I think you'll still have me on top.
The X3's got long legs, but
I do think you'll have me on
you
top.
got me on acceleration for sure.
Yeah, I think that 8th mile will be a good one again.
Yeah.
Because at 5 pounds, I think you got me in the 8th by like 1 car one time and like half a car the next time. Like it was close.
Yeah.
Anything past that, the 8th, the X3 was gone.
Yeah.
I think that'd be good again now with do it the 8th again.
Yeah.
With the new.
We already know you're gonna wipe me on the
330.
330. Yeah.
It's not even worth running.
Yeah.
We'll just run the 8th. Quarter mile that's when you anything really past the 8th, the X3 starts pulling pretty hard on top. So
see what happens.
we'll have to see. Yeah, that'll be good to see once it's got a bit more juice to it, right?
Might be some secret things for the X3 coming up too.
Might be some more secret things for this coming up that I haven't told you about. Like the Banshee.
Nah, you're tapped out, dude.
Buddy, you want to pull a stockage? Yeah, I guess that's it for now, though. So,
yep.
Yeah, stay tuned. We'll have a first start video up once it's running, and yeah, see what happens. Yeah. Yo, you guys want a shirt? Yo, buy a shirt.
Come on, just
Please
buy a shirt, guys.
I'm broke, man. I spent all the money on this more.
Banshees, all these parts go on.
Buy a shirt.
Just come on, buy a shirt off a guy.
For goodness sakes.
For goodness sakes.
But don't buy too many because I don't have very many. So buy a shirt, but don't like. Okay, nah, just buy a shirt, whatever.
Yeah, like all 5 of you guys watching this, just buy a shirt.
Buy a shirt.
Okay, bye for real this time.
Yeah, see you later.